Hello guys, I hope you guys are doing fantastic. I am also doing great. So it is a very happy day today and it is quite bright and sunny as well. So today is my first vaccination. It came absolutely like a surprise. So about 2 days ago, I got an email early in the morning that I can actually get myself vaccinated. I was super excited and I immediately got my slot. So I got a slot for today. So I thought I will also share this experience with you. However, there's another thing that I don't know which vaccination that I'm going to get, but I think whatever you get, you should take it right now with the kind of situation that we are in. So let me take you along. Along the way, I will also take you to a place where I actually usually go for a walk. It's a beautiful place. So I thought ये मेरा पहला vlog है where I'm actually not shooting from home thanks to Corona. So आज क्योंकि मैं बाहर जा रहा हूँ, so I thought I'll also take you along. Before we go, this is like this is the place which I really love. This is a church and it's such a beautiful church. Let me just show it to you. So this church is right next to my house, and I've never been to this church because most of the churches and religious places are closed over here. However, this looks so beautiful. I'm definitely going to go one day. So if you look at that, I live somewhere around that place, and we have to go just about 10 minutes from here and get to the vaccination center. So guys, this is the place where I come so often. This is just amazing. You can actually come for a walk over here, walk on these paths. This is pretty much like 2 or 3 kilometers or even more in terms of the length, and you can just see people are playing cricket. There's a soccer place where children play soccer, and I'll just take you along over there. There is also a bicycle track wherein you can actually do some kind of a bicycling activities, and that is just amazing. And that is the place where I have to actually go for my vaccination. So guys, this is one of my favorite spots over here in this park or stadium, whatever you might call it. This is the bike track which I'll just show you closely also. This is the place where everybody can come and actually bike around. And I have to go over there for my vaccination. And beyond this bike track, that is where we came from, where people are playing cricket. So finally I have reached for my vaccination. That is the place where people are waiting, and I think I also have to go. My appointment is about half an hour from now, so I think I'm just waiting outside. So guys, finally I am vaccinated, thankfully, and I just came out of the vaccination center. And it was really good experience, and let me just share that experience with you and also tell you something about the second dose, which is very strange. So guys, finally I think you can make out from my smile that I have actually come out of the vaccination center and I have been vaccinated finally. So let me just tell you all about it. It is quite exciting. So it was very well organized. I went there at 2:30. My appointment was at 2:30. They just checked on their list that my name was there. They did not ask for any proof or something. They asked me that if I had any COVID-like symptoms, etc., temperature checks and all that. So after that, they asked me to stand in a line in the outdoors for about 5 minutes. And after that, they basically ask you to come and stand in a line, which is of course socially distanced, inside a big hall. And you have to wait there for about 5 minutes. Then somebody comes and counsels you and tells you which vaccination you are getting. So in my case, I got Pfizer today. So they also tell you about vaccination, what kind of vaccination it is, how it is going to protect you and stuff like that. and they ask you about the allergies, etc. What to do in case something happens, or what are the side effects that you are going to face for about another 2 or 3 days after the vaccination. After that, you see a huge hall, and in that hall there are your socially distant seats, and you have to go and sit on one of the seats, which obviously they only guide you to, and you don't have to get up from there at all. Their staff will come to you, and they will obviously meet, greet, and of course ask you some basic questions before giving you the shot. After that, they just give you one shot, and within about 2 or 3 minutes, and ask you to wait for about 15 minutes and then leave. So it was as smooth as that. I think it was pretty well managed. I was actually very happy to see that they were trying to maintain a lot of social distance, and they were also trying to sanitize all the chairs, etc., where people were sitting. So it was actually a nice experience. But the only thing that actually came to my mind after the vaccination was that my next dose is now going to be after 15 weeks. Yes, you heard it right, after 15 weeks. So I have actually not heard about it in any other country. So my brother is in the US, and he got his second dose. He also got Pfizer within 21 days. My parents are in India, and they got their second dose within 6 weeks. But I think Canada is probably one of the only countries which is kind of trying to give the second dose after about 15 weeks. So guys, I am here, and this is exactly the same place where I went from in the morning. This is basically where the cricket match is happening, and if you show an Indian a cricket match, he has to stop and watch that match. I'm really excited to see them, and especially they're playing with a leather ball. Anyways, so let's come back to the topic. So Canada is the only country probably which is having a gap of about 4 months between the two vaccines. I tried to find out and kind of Google it, that why is that so. Well, it is a national basically strategy with the kind of dose that you have, and also they have their kind of scientific proof that within about 2 months of the vaccination, the efficacy of the vaccination is close to around 70 to 80%. So people, 70 to 80% people who get vaccination actually get no symptoms or mild symptoms after the first dose. And that is the reason why Canada has actually taken the strategy of kind of vaccinating everyone first and then giving the second dose to people. So that is the kind of protection that they want for their own society, and I think that is kind of a fair call, because they are kind of trying to protect everybody rather than just trying to protect a few people with the number of limited doses that they have. Well, I was reading a lot of articles that and I was actually also pretty surprised to see that the vaccination efficacy is as high as 85% after the first dose, which is a very good thing, since that now I have my first dose. So that is what it was. So guys, I hope you liked this video. I'm going to watch the cricket match now. So guys, I hope you like this video. I'm going to watch the cricket match now, and I'm also going to leave some glimpse for you. In case you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and do watch the other videos in my channel as well. Thank you. Bye bye.